tingnan natin Japan guys. May bus passenger guys. Tingnan natin. Bus passenger guys. Nice bus passenger. Guys, nice bus passenger. Oh, yes here guys. It's a bus passenger. Nice. Oh, yes here guys, nice here. There's a place of making Matsusaka, Japan. Yes, nice place. Some place of making Japan. This is the gasoline station, Apple station. Oh, it's a nice mansion. It's a place of Takigun, making Matsusaka, Japan. Over there guys, nice mansion. Nice design. There's green hotels guys. It's a big sharp company, Takigun. Any stop, Lawson convenience store, 24-hour service. In a sharp company here in Takigun, making Matsusaka, Japan. It's a big sharp company. Yes. It's a big sharp company here in Takigun, making Matsusaka, Japan. Look at the camera in the monitoring roads. Camera. It's the monitoring camera. It's a sharp company here in Takigun, making Matsusaka, Japan. Nice views guys. Don't forget, like easier. It's a nice views here, making Matsusaka, Japan. It's a 3 minutes video guys. Like easier. It's a big truck. Tourist, a big truck. Oh, it's a place of making Matsusaka, Japan. Alright guys, over there. So it's floating rice. Oh, nice views. So like easier guys. Like easier. Like easier. Thank you so much. Kami sa songan and bye bye.